We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Matrices and Determinants. This problem is based on the concept of inconsistency of a given system of linear equations. That means we need to show that there is no solution for the given system of linear equations. This problem has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 28th June 2022 in the first shift. The given question is, if the system of linear equations 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to minus 2. Second equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 4. The third equation, x minus y plus mod lambda into z is equal to 4 lambda minus 4. Where lambda is a real number, has no solution, then we are given four options. Option A, lambda is equal to 7. Option B, lambda is equal to minus 7. Option C, lambda is equal to 8. Option D, lambda square is equal to 1. So we have the given system of linear equations. There are the three equations and three unknowns x, y, z. And one of the equations contain lambda, where lambda is a real number. Now, if this system of linear equations has no solution, then we have to find the value of lambda. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have the system of linear equations here, and we write down its matrix equation. And the given system is a non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Agreed? Its matrix equation is Ax is equal to B, where A is called the coefficient matrix. That is, the matrix whose entries are the coefficients of x, y, z of the equations. A is equal to the coefficient matrix 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, and third equation 1 minus 1 lambda. Capital X is the column vector consisting of the variables x, y, z. Capital B is the column vector consisting of the values minus 2, 4, 4 lambda minus 4. Agreed. The system has no solution, so to speak, it is inconsistent. Let's recall a result what we have studied. If delta is equal to 0, what is delta? Delta is the determinant of the coefficient matrix, determinant of A. Delta is equal to 0, and at least one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is not 0, then the given system is inconsistent, that is, it has no solution. What is delta 1? Delta 1 is same as delta with the first column is replaced by the column vector B. So, similarly, delta 2, delta 3. So, first let's see delta. Determinant of A is equal to delta, that is the determinant of A we have written here, and is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0. Expanding this determinant by its first row, this is the expansion by first row. Simplify, we get minus mod lambda plus 7 is equal to 0. That implies mod lambda is equal to 7. Lambda is equal to 7 or minus 7. That means the answer is there only in the two options. And the two options, the remaining two options can be eliminated here itself. So the answer is answer is either maybe 7 or minus 7. That's what we have to see. We do it in the next slide. So that's what we have done. Lambda is equal to 7 or minus 7. So for inconsistency, to have no solution, we have to see one of these, at least one of these delta 1, delta 2, delta and delta 3 is not 0. We consider delta 3. Delta 3 means it is same as delta, wherein the third column is replaced by the column vector B. Now we may ask a question, why not delta 1? If you take delta 1, then you will have the first column is replaced by column vector B, which consists of lambda, and the third column also consists of mod lambda. So there will be lambda and mod lambda, and situation may be a little bit difficult. So also delta 2 we don't consider. Delta 3 we will consider because the third column minus 1, 1 mod lambda is replaced by minus 2, 4, 4 lambda minus 4. And if you solve, so take its determinant, you will get a value for lambda. Agreed? So consider delta 3 is equal to, it is same as delta with the third column minus 1, 1 mod lambda is replaced by column vector B, that is minus 2, 4, 4 lambda minus 4. Now expand this determinant by its first row. This is the expansion. Simplify. And we get minus 4 lambda plus 28. Right. Now delta 3, if you put lambda is equal to minus 7 in this, minus 4 into minus 7, that is 28 plus 28, 56, which is not equal to 0. So delta 3 is equal to 56, not equal to 0 for lambda is equal to minus 7. Right. So one of these delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is not 0. Therefore, the given system is inconsistent, that is, it has no solution. For what value? For lambda is equal to minus 7. Let's look at our options. Our answer that the given system has no solution for lambda is equal to minus 7 tallies with option B. Therefore, the answer to this question is option B. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem related to the consistency, inconsistency of a given system of non-homogeneous linear equations from the section Matrices and Determinants. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.